Filipino, sir.
Like only Filipino can eat here.
Yes.
Me, I cannot eat here. Thank you.
Hello mga habibi, this is really alarming. Shout out to Excel Khalifa, okay? I know that every one of us really, to those people who are inspiring as a social media creator or as a blogger or you want to be famous in the social media. This is really for you. This message is for you, Mr. Excel Khalifa. I think you are from South Africa, so I don't know which continent. So this is for you. Before you posting a video, like you need to get fame or whatever do you want it for, or what is your purpose behind this video? Because I saw your video, I felt so sad as a Filipino. Don't say you're posting like a content like racism Philippines. What is that? Before you put some video content, you must be think before you posted anything. Always want sympathy, or you want only for fame. You're just posting like, okay, you don't know that maybe you are in the airport, some comment on your video, saying that, oh sir, this is OFW Lodge. So before you posting video, creating video, don't take it advantage. Don't say, you really wanted to have more views or to subscribe to you, but you're doing something. It's a big red flag, Mr. Excel Khalifa. You know already from the beginning. If I'm not mistaken, you are in the airport and you see this OFW Lodge like a restaurant. So you didn't mention this restaurant or blah blah and so on. We're just saying racism Philippines, like discrimination for you. Being a black is not a big deal. I love people what color you are. It's not a big deal for you, for everybody. Oh my God. Not foreign tourists or foreign social media creator or a blogger who went to the Philippines just saying bad. Same like what you did. You know already from the beginning. Oh my God. You know already from the beginning that is a OFW Lodge. So we just posted, oh, this is really good for an OFW in the Philippines, like to those people, organization or government who make this kind of a free food from those OFW who are working abroad, and those new OFW who are going to abroad to stay this restaurant or OFW Lodge to eat for free, and there's also bed for those OFW who are tired to relax and to comfort, like that blah blah. This is really especially for OFW Filipino workers. This is exclusively like that. Don't say you take a video, this is no, I'm not. You just get inside and ask for the lady, and of course this lady working in OFW Lodge doesn't really know about you. You're just making a video without consent and just saying that, oh, this is for Filipino only, this is I cannot eat here. Of course, if you make it clear properly, just post it that, oh, this is OFW Lodge exclusively for Filipino workers who are hardworking, who are heroes from other country, who work harder and on their families coming from the airport to eat free, comfort, and make comfort to themselves. Like that. Oh my God, what you did. Nakakairita ka ako. Nainis na talaga ako nito si Alexi Khalifa. You're just posting video, criticizing Filipino that blah blah blah, and so discrimination. Who the? Oh my God. Think about it. No one will subscribe if you making like that. Parang gusto mong kaawaan ka na hindi mo alam kung ano yung kinukontent mo. You just content. Alex Khalifa, stop posting like this. I'm not born yesterday. You're put a content like racism Philippines. Oh my God, no one discriminate you. Being a black is not a problem. I love any colors. My God, this is 2025. You're just thinking too much. For me, I love what color you are as long as you have a good heart. For this kind of, you need sympathy, you need fame, you need too much follower in TikTok or Instagram or any social media. That's why you did like this. I'm not stupid enough to not understand on what really wanted you to get more sympathy. This is really embarrassing for us as a Filipino. Before you posting a video, just put the content right properly. This is really alarming as a Filipino. This is really not good, Mr. Khalifa. This is really not good. Nabushit ako sa kanya, mga kahabibi, kasi nagpo-post siya ng video na parang naghihingi siya ng sympathy na pumunta pa siya sa Pilipinas. Bakit? Ginusto ba namin pumunta ka dito para maggaganyan ka lang din? Hindi, wag ka nang pumunta. Di ba? Yung magpo-post ka sa social media na, oh, para daw siya nag-discriminate. Oh my God. You're just using yourself being a black. Being a black is not a big deal. You know, I love black, I love brown, I love white. Oh my God, you're just thinking too much to make people connect with you, you know, to have a fame. This is really embarrassing with us, you know, posting a video like, okay, just to make it clear, OFW Lodge is area for Filipino workers who wanted to eat and dine just exclusively for OFW, to make them comfort, to make them happy as an OFW like me. So this is established by OFW. If you're watching this video, Mr. Excel Khalifa, I respect you. You wanted to have more followers, or you wanted to be a person who wanted to be, you know, a celebrity maybe. I don't think so. But do something good. If you're posting, you want to go in the Philippines, do something, oh, this is really real what happened. You know, you don't really, you're just posting video, but you don't really know what is kind of, you think this is a restaurant, you know, you just ask, ate, kuya, sir, what is this? This is for private, or this is for public, or this is a restaurant, and blah, blah, and so on. Just to make it clear that OFW Lodge is exclusive for OFW who are working and who are going to abroad, working as an OFW. Just to mention, please stop spreading nonsense, you know. It's really, oh my God.